Hi, this is SAP SD tutor with Uplatz. Now I am going to cover part 1 of Customer Master. Now I will share the screen. So until now, what we have done is we have created and assigned a total enterprise structure. So that means our total organization structure is completed. That means in real world, what we have to say is we have established our company. This is equivalent to establishment of the company. So we have established our company. Means in real world, we build the company, but in SAP, we create the company. So we have established everything about creation of the company. After creation of the company, what we want is we need a customer to sell our goods. Without selling goods to customer, our company cannot run. We don't get the profits. So that's why customer is important. Now I will train you how to create the customer. Customer means customer master data. For every customer, master data is required. Master data means main data is required for every customer. So how to create that master data, customer master data? That's I'm going to explain now. Okay. So customer master data. Now we are going to create this customer master data. Here in the customer master data, first of all, I will show you how customer master data looks like. I will show you that. Okay, then we can do that. So before showing you, what I will do is I will give some basic introduction about customer master data. Okay, you listen to my introduction. In real time, customer master data is created by FI and SD consultants. So in real time, customer master data is created by both FI consultants and SD consultants. Some part of the master data is created by FI consultants. Some part of the customer master data is created by SD consultants. Okay. Now I will mention the menu path for entering this customer master. Menu path. SAP Easy Access. Logistics. Sales and distribution. master data, business partner, next customer, next create. So this is the menu path for creating customer master data. And there is also T code also for customer master data. I will mention that T code. T code is XD01. This is easy to remember. This is the T code XD01 is easy to remember. That's why we follow this XD01. Okay. Actually, this T code is XD01 for creating the new customer. But if already customer is created, you want to see that customer. Suppose for display of the customer, T code is XD03. XD03 for display of the customer master data. For changing the customer master data, that means once you have created customer, you want to do some changes. For changing the customer master data, T code is XD02. So for changing the customer master data, T code is XD02. For display of the customer master data, XD03. So now I will show you entire customer master data through display mode. Why? Because I have already created one customer. I will show you how customer master data looks like. After you understand that the total customer master data, now I will show you how to create a new customer through XD01. So first we go for display of the customer, that is XD03. Okay. Now I go to SAP screen. So I type XD03. I type XD03. Next, click on enter. Now this one came. So customer is, I have created already 2008. So here also customer codes are there. Code is there. So 2008 I have created. In which company code? In AB13 company code, previously I have created this. For which sales area? For sales organization AB13, distribution channel AB, division AB. For this, I have created this customer master data. Okay. Now I will show you how it looks like. First, for that, click on enter. If you click on enter, first what will come is this screen will come. This is general data screen. You see here, general data. So general data. This screen is called general data screen. Means basic data will be there in this screen. Basic data will be there in this screen. You see here, you see address tab. You see the address tab means, so I have given address details. I have given address details. So one by one, showing you, while showing you, I will explain the things. Okay. So that's why now I minimize this. We go to Word document now. So next point is, so one by one I will show you. First, I will show you general data screen. So that's what I am writing here. General data screen. General data screen. I will show you that one. General data screen. In general data screen, you see here, so many tabs are there. First, I showed you address tab. Yes, you have seen this. So that's why first tab I will explain. What is this address tab? I will explain. Address means this tab consists of personal information, of the customer. So this tab contains the details about personal information of the customer. Okay. So here personal details. I will show you now what personal details are there. I will show you. You see here, this is address tab. The name, just I put Tom. Search term, I put Tom. That address also I have given. Great Britain country I have given. Region, Greater Manchester I have given. So this is address tab. Okay. Next we are going to learn about control tab. Here you see what is this control tab. I will show you that. I will explain you later. I will show you that. We go to Word documents. So control tab. Control data. So what is this control data means? I will explain you. FI consultants is responsible to maintain control data. So here FI consultant is responsible to maintain control data. Okay, I will show you what are there in control data. I will show you now. I go to SAP screen. I click on control data. I will click on. Here you see so many this that industry, that which industry that belongs, and tax numbers, tax details. So these are all finance details. Are there. That's why FI consultant is responsible for maintaining this tab. Okay. Next, I will explain you payment transactions. What are these payment transactions? I will explain you. You see that payment transactions. Now we go to Word documents. Payments transactions. This tab consists of Customer bank details. Customer bank details. So total bank details will be shown here because bank details also belongs to finance area. So that's why FI consultants is responsible to maintain this data. So here also FI consultant is responsible to maintain this data. Okay. Now I will navigate through SAP screen. So now I click on this payment transactions. You click on payment transactions. You see here bank key, bank account holder. So all bank details are here. All our bank details are here. So that's why FI consultant is responsible to maintain this data. Okay. Next, marketing tab is there. You see marketing tab. So regarding marketing tab, this I will explain you now. So now marketing. So SD consultants is responsible to maintain this data. So because this is a marketing related information, SD consultant is responsible to maintain this data. Now I will show you what is marketing. I will show you now. You click on marketing tab. You click on marketing tab. So many information, so much of information is there. Nielsen ID is there, customer class is there, industry is there. So hierarchy assignment is there. So annual sales. So what are all these? I will explain you one by one. One by one, I will explain you. So in marketing tab, one by one, I will explain you. What is what I will explain you in marketing tab. First, I will show you that marketing tab. In the marketing tab, first I will explain what is this Nielsen ID. You see that, you see here. What is this Nielsen ID? I will explain here. What is this Nielsen ID? Okay. So what is the purpose of Nielsen ID means? I will explain you. This is used to indicate customers location of subsidiaries. So So most of the companies have their branch offices. Everywhere they have their branch offices. That is called subsidiary. Here, this Nielsen ID will indicate, suppose our customer has any subsidiaries in any area or not. Suppose if there is any subsidiary for our customer company, we will indicate this area, in this area, that subsidiary is there, because that information is very important for our marketing activities. That's why whatever are their subsidiaries, whatever are their next level branch offices, where they are located, that will be indicated by this Nielsen ID. Next is, I will show you customer class. So what is this customer class? I will explain you what is this customer class. Customer class. Classifying the customer based on their sales turnover. So different customers are there. Somebody has more sales turnover, somebody has less turnover, sales turnover. So here we differentiate the customer. High turnover or medium turnover or low turnover. We will differentiate that one. Why we have to differentiate customer on the sales turnover means, if any customer has more sales turnover, we can give some benefits to them. Why we give benefits to them means, because they have more sales turnover, they will give business for us more, because they themselves are big company. That's why they will give more orders for our company. That's why we give more discounts like that. For that purpose, we classify the customer here. Next, continue. Here only I will explain the purpose of the purpose is to give discounts and fix credit limits. So if the sales turnover is very high for our customer, we can give more discounts, and also we can increase the credit limit for them also, because they are big company. That's why they are low risk. We have created that credit control area. We have created. So if that company is a big company, that means big company and their sales turnover is high, means we can give high credit limit also, because there is no danger for our money. Even if you give higher credits also, no problem. If that company or if that customer is a very small company, then it is very dangerous for us to give high credit limits. Okay. Next, I will show you next one in SAP screen. Next thing is industry. What is this industry? Industry. I will show you this search box. So many industries are there, you see. So many industries are there. Okay. What is this industry? I will explain you. So what is this industry? I will explain you. So group of companies belong to same product, same product or service. So 2 times same, right? That's why it's showing error. So this is industry. Group of companies belong to same product or service. Suppose you see all cement companies, all of them produce cement only. All of them produce cement only. So that's why the group of companies which produce same product or service, that is called cement industry. That is called industry we should call. That is called. So individual means companies we call. All group of companies which produce same product or service means it becomes industry. It becomes industry. So we have to know what type of customer what type of industry our customer has, we have to know. Okay, that's what I will show you. You see here, so many industries are here. So industry 1, industry 3, commercial, agriculture service, airlines, amusement. So many industries are there. Among them, previously I have selected this electronic industry. That customer belongs to electronic industry, means their company produce electronic goods. Okay. Next, I will explain you this regional market. What is this regional market? I will explain you. I will explain you within a minute. So after industry, next one I will show you this in SAP screen. I have already shown you, I think, that is regional market. What is this regional market? I will explain you. Regional markets. So regional market means dividing the customer in local markets into class A, class B, class B, and class C, based on the based on the revenue it generates. So here, this is also one type of division. This is also one type of division. What is this division is how much profits, how much money they will generate through profits. Based on that, we divide this customer. A class, class A, class B, class C. So if they get high profits, we call them class A. If they get medium profits, we call them class B. If they get less profits, we call them class C. Like that, we will divide this one. Okay. Next thing I will show you. Next is hierarchy management. You see that hierarchy assignment. I should call assignment. So what is this hierarchy assignment? I will explain you. Hierarchy assignments. A customer has different levels. Based on their profile. Based on their profile. So the customer may have different levels based on the profile. Suppose our customer is a head branch or our customer is a lower level branches. So some company is there, Google company is there. It has head branch is there. It has lower branches are there. Suppose your customer is Google only, but in Google what your customer is the lower level branch of Google or higher level branch of Google. You have to know that. You have to know that. That is hierarchy assignment. Okay. Next thing I will show you. Legal status. You see here. Legal status. In marketing tab, next thing is legal status. I will explain what is this legal status. This field is whether customer is private limited or public limited. So based on the size of the company, based on the directors, number of directors of the company, every company will be given a legal status. If number of directors, if the size of the company is less and also number of directors of the company is less, means it will be given private limited. If the size of the company is large and the number of directors are more, it will be given the status of public limited. So that status will be indicated in this field, that legal status in this field. Okay. And we continue about customer master in my further videos. And thanks for listening to my course.